We're going to learn how to burn a balloon without popping it at all. Are you ready? So get yourself a couple balloons, a candle, and also a source of water and some adult help to help you light your candle when you're ready. The first thing I want you to do is blow up one of the balloons. Go ahead and light your candle with some adult help. And bring your balloon right over the flame and let's see what happens. The balloon pops and the candle goes out as the air rushes out of the balloon. So that's not a big surprise, right? You already knew that would happen. Let's alter this experiment just a little bit. Now before we actually blow up the balloon, let's put some water in it. This is easy to do with a syringe if you happen to have one handy. Or you can simply use your faucet. You won't need much water at all. Once your balloon has a good amount of water in the bottom here, go ahead and blow it up and tie it off. Now go ahead and get your adult to light your candle for you and place the balloon over the candle flame, making sure that the water part is right above. Now you'll notice that the balloon doesn't pop at all. What's going on? So one of the things you'll notice is that the bottom of your balloon might start to get black. That's okay, that's just carbon, just soot on the outside of the balloon. You want to make sure you wash your hands when you're done with this experiment though, if you've touched it. The other thing you want to notice is that the water inside the balloon, it's actually not staying still like you think. Water is great at soaking up energy. It has a huge heat capacity. And what's happening basically is that the water on the bottom, as it absorbs the energy from the candle flame, it heats up. And so it rises to the top. And as it does that, cooler water starts to circulate and flow down to the bottom. And that water is now ready to heat up as well and absorb the energy from the candle. And this process continues over and over and over. So the temperature of the water increases as it absorbs the energy from the candle flame. Now, if you're a magician, this is a great addition to your lineup of magic tricks. Go ahead and give that a try.